Welcome to Tuesday's 2 cents worth. If you find yourself this Halloween with more tricks than treats, here are some ways to clean up. If your yard gets TP'd, it can be quite a challenge to remove. If you try to pull it down, lots will still be left hanging. Your best bet is a leaf blower for the low strands, and the higher strands you might just be better off leaving, because with fall winds and rains, the paper will break down quickly, and then you can just pick up those white clumps as they come down. If your house gets egged, time is not on your side. The longer you wait, the harder cleanup is going to be. You might be reaching for hot soapy water, but because of the protein in eggs, hot water will solidify the goo and fuse the eggs to your windows and siding instead. So use your garden hose and spray the whole area down with cool or cold water, and then gently scrub with an alkaline cleaner like Simple Green of Formula 409, which helps break down those proteins. Graffiti is a much harder trick to deal with. On painted surfaces, your best bet is to paint over it. Scrub first, apply a primer, and then paint. On wood or concrete, it's a bit tougher. Try a power washer and even a little paint thinner. However, if you have vinyl siding, don't use paint remover. Instead, try a specialized cleaner like Goof Off or Lift Off, along with a nylon scrub brush. Those tricksters have left you a lot of work to do. The best thing is to try to prevent the tricks from happening. Motion detectors and motion sprinklers, security cameras, they can all help deter the pranksters. So hopefully you won't need this info because you'll only get treats this year. To treat yourself to the best real estate help, just give us a call. Travis and I promise to give you our absolute very best service with no tricks involved. Thanks for tuning in to Tuesday's 2 cents worth. This is Sue Derby from Shorewest Realtors, your local realtor ready to work hard for you. If you're finding these videos helpful, please go to our YouTube channel and hit subscribe. Thanks.